Good morning, Madison.
The end of the 9 weeks is October 15th.
This means it's time to tally up points on our magic cards.
We're also going to make some minor changes on pages 18, 20, and 22, so students should have their pencils out and be ready to write.
Follow these steps during today's advisory class to make sure that you're included in the fun.
Open to page 16 of your agenda. Please make sure that your name, grade, advisory teacher's name, and parent contact information is written on the top of this page.
Now turn to page 15 of your agenda.
Count up all of the good things on page 15 of your magic card. Write this number in the good things plus sign on page 15. All good things are worth 1 point each. Next, turn the page and count up any infractions on page 16 of your magic card. Subtract this number from the good things you just counted up, then write that number in the infractions area on page 17. Remember, major infractions are worth 3 points and minor infractions are worth 1. So count carefully.
If you have a red ticket for failure to bring your agenda, red tickets have no point value. So if you have a red ticket, you don't need to subtract any points from your total.
Total your score in the star on page 15.
Tear out this page and turn it into your advisory teacher now. Remember to check and make sure that your name, grade, advisory teacher's name, and parent contact information is on the top of page 16.
Students who have no infractions, students who have more good things on their card than infractions, or students whose infractions and good things balance out to 0 are invited to a donut party. 6th grade students will have their party on October 21st. 7th grade students will have their party on October 22nd. And 8th graders will have their party on October 23rd. Teachers, please send a list of all the students in your advisory class who do qualify for the donut party to Stephanie Turner. She will compile a list so that we can place our donut order. Ideally, teachers should send the list during today's advisory class, now that you've collected the magic cards.
On the assigned day, advisory teachers will do one of 2 things with their classes.
If your entire class is eligible for the donut party, please escort your students to the cafeteria and stay with them during the celebration. If you have students with a negative balance on their cards, please stay with them in your classroom and send the rest of your students to the cafeteria.
Students, you now have a clean magic card and a chance to earn a reward next 9 weeks.
Before this video is over, we need to make a few updates to the infraction pages in the student agendas.
Students, please turn to page 18.
Make sure you have your name, grade, advisor teacher's name, and parent contact information written on the top of this page. Now please do the same on pages 20 and 22. Please find the major infractions section on this page. Now find step 5, which lists morning detention with reflection, parent contact, and counseling intervention. Cross out only the words morning detention and write 4 days lunch detention.
Now find step 5, which lists morning detention with reflection, parent contact, and a counseling intervention. Cross out only the words morning detention and write 4 days lunch detention. Next, find the minor infractions section on this page. Now, find step 6. Cross out morning detention and write 3 days lunch detention. On step 7, cross out 2 morning detentions and write 4 days lunch detention. Please look at this picture and ask your teacher if you need help.
Now, do the same on pages 20 and 22. Please ask your teacher if you need help.
Teachers, remember that you can help students earn rewards and balance out infractions by recognizing all of the wonderful things they do on page 17 of their agendas from now through December.
Also, teachers, please remember that the agenda doesn't replace your existing classroom management system.
It is a powerful tool that may help you once you've exhausted classroom disciplinary consequences.
Let's stay focused on all of the magic things happening at Madison.
Together, teachers, students, and staff have the power to focus on positive things and be the best versions of ourselves.
We hope to see everyone at the next 9 weeks reward event.
Have a great 9 weeks, Madison.